Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. And today we'll be looking at the analysis on the currency pair GBP USD. And first, we'll be talking on the fundamentals, and then we move right down to technicals, which is going to be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can see that the British pound has been on a break loose since after a free fall in the past few weeks. And the British pound was set to snap a 6-session losing streak on Thursday today as the dollar relentlessly rally has been paused, but we are still on track for a near 4% drop this month. And of course, this is a rate expectations due to the Bank of England. The pound was last up by 0.5% against the greenback at $1.2201 and having fallen more than 2% in the previous 6 trading days, its biggest fall in that time frame since July. Now, the sterling also edged up about 0.2% to 86.36 pence per euro, having hit its weakest level in 4 months earlier. Now, what to expect from this technically, we are looking out for a push up to a new zone at 1.22670. And this zone, of course, is expected to give us a very important landmark. And there, hence, we are going to have a move down to there at looking at about 65 pips from that entry point. And if peradventure this has a halt, then we are looking at a retracement back to the downside. But aside that, it's looking like it's going to continue back up to where it had come from at 1.239358, which is a wholesome 200 plus pips from that point, which is of course good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair GBP USD. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we're having a look at Boeing. And of course, we can see that the billion-dollar aircraft Ryanair to cut flights this winter due to Boeing's delivery delays. And Ryanair has announced that cuts to its winter schedule on Thursday due to delays in the delivery of Boeing aircraft, but Europe's largest airline by passenger numbers said its full-year traffic forecast was unaffected this year, which is one of Boeing's largest customers said in a statement that it had expected to receive delivery of 27 aircraft from September and December. However, production delays at the Spirit fuselage facility in Wichita, and we've seen that Kansas also combined with Boeing repairs and delivery delays in Seattle means that the budget airline now expects to receive only 14 aircraft between October and December. And this has been the reason for the free fall of the Boeing aircraft. But we are looking for some positives, but it keeps showcasing some downside momentum with flight cancellations taking effect. And but the delay worsens or is being extended further into maybe January or even March 2024 period. So we are still expecting a free fall in Boeing, but for now we are seeing some series of higher highs and lower lows, and which are gradually turning to bullish momentum. And we are looking out for 199.49 and also 205.91 in case we have any positive news on the billion-dollar aircraft stock. Now, with that being said, we have on our 4 hours time frame, we have a perspective that shows that it's gradually sitting on a very, very important support zone and might have a reversal soon afterwards. So if we're to make an entry at this point and let our trade run down to 198.61, we are looking at about good-looking 32 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. With all that being said and done, we also need to check the daily time frame move. It's given a series of important candlestick pattern that shows a reversal. This is a pin bar, a bearish pin bar, which of course signifies a reversal and a gradual move to the upside or the uptrend. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market Boeing. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.